Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to instantly recover some of unsaved files or unsaved documents in your Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you go ahead and click on Info. Next thing you want to do right here is to come to manage document. Go ahead and click on here to open. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on recover unsaved document right here. And this window here is going to pop up. Then you have all unsaved documents by time and date as the case may be right here. So next thing you want to do is to select any document that you want to recover. So like for instance, if I want to recover the first document right here, I'm going to go ahead and select it, and I will go ahead and make sure I open. And then in a few seconds, boom, we have the document back in my MS Word right here. Now we can easily resave the document into different kind of file format. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.